Let's talk about a Spanish verb that you really need to learn. Hi everyone, today we're gonna learn a Spanish verb. The verb is hablar. Hablar. Hablar is a regular Spanish verb. If you want to know how to conjugate these kind of verbs, click here. Hablar means to speak or to talk, and in some situations it can mean to call. Now let's see a few examples using this verb. Necesito hablar contigo. Necesito hablar contigo. Yo hablo 5 idiomas. Yo hablo 5 idiomas. I wish. ¿Quién habla? ¿Quién habla? Miguel habla mucho. Miguel habla mucho. Háblame por teléfono mañana. Háblame por teléfono mañana. Habla más despacio, por favor. Habla más despacio, por favor. Okay, that was the verb of the day. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also, visit smelessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!